नमस्ते दोस्तों, हम देख रहे हैं 11th स्टैंडर्ड एनसीईआरटी का चैप्टर नंबर फर्स्ट सेट्स, जिसका एक्सरसाइज है 1.2। उसमें आपको मिलेगा प्रॉब्लम नंबर 2 of finite and infinite set. Okay, we will give the reasons for your solutions of example number 2. For this you will require what is finite set. I am writing here it as finite set. Okay, set, you all know what is meant by set. We will define what is meant by finite set. Any set A is called as finite when you can say this set as finite set if number of element, okay, number of element in this set, in set A is finite. Okay, means you are having number of element in your set as finite, then that set is called as finite set. Okay, means number of elements I will denote it by n of A. If this is a finite, okay, now your number of elements are finite, that time you will call your set A as a finite set. If it is not so, then if not, then you call A as infinite set. Okay, this is all thing about your finite and infiniteness. Okay, now this is the definition of our set finite and infinite. Using this we will define solutions of your next question number 2. Okay, what question number 2 says, you can see on your question, the set of months, okay, the set of months of the year. You know how many months are there in your year. What are these that I will dictate here? Suppose my example first set A is set of months of a year, that I will write here, that these are nothing but January, okay, then you will have February, okay, and so on. You can have March, April, May, June up to December. Okay, these are your number of months or months of your year. How many are these? For finite and infiniteness, you will require number of elements of that set. Okay, you know these are 12 months. There are 12 months in your year. Therefore, this quantity, number of elements of your set is finite. It implies your set A is finite set. Okay, you have got your set A as finite set. Now we will see the next example. What next example says? Next is nothing but set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What next set is nothing but, I will dictate it by B, is nothing but 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, we will see whether it is finite or infinite. Look at here, these elements are nothing but your natural number, that is nothing but n. But what is cardinality of natural number? Cardinality means number of elements in that set. Okay, B is nothing but infinite. Okay, therefore you call this set as never ending and so on. Therefore there are elements infinite. You will call this set as infinite set. Okay, this is your infinite set. Since number of element in that set is infinite, B has become infinite. Now we will see the example number 3, that is on your screen. Is nothing but 1, 2, 3 up to 99 and 100. C set is 1, 2, 3 and I will go on and so on up to 9900. Okay, this is your set. Now you are not going at infinity. It is not never ending. It is restricting somewhere. It is going up to 100 only. Therefore you can calculate the number of element of this set. It has nothing but 100. Okay, these are 100 elements in you. There are 100 elements in this set. Therefore now this 100 is again a finite quantity. If your number of elements in your sets are finite, that set is called as finite set. Therefore, your C will become a finite set. Definitely, your C has become finite set. Okay, this was 3 questions. Now we will see the next question that is right on your screen. What this set is? The set of positive integers greater than 100. Okay, for this you will require set of integer first. What set of integer says? The number of the elements that are having negative quantities as well as 0 with positive numbers. Okay, that is your set of integer. Now we will see the integers that are greater than 100. Okay, is nothing but your set 4. What set 4 says? Number greater than 100 and x must be your integer, that you have seen what it is. X must be integer and greater than 100. I will write here that are nothing but 101, 102, 103 and so on. Where it is going? I cannot write this all numbers here, therefore I am writing 3 dots. These are, it indicates and so on, where it will stop. It will never stop. It will go up to infinity. You cannot count the number of elements in this set. Therefore, you will have number of elements in this set D. Number of elements in set D, okay, is infinite. Therefore, what you can guess? This set is infinite set. Since it has infinitely many number of elements, that's why your set has become infinite sets. Now we will see example number 5. What example 5 says? The set of prime numbers less than 99. Okay, the set of prime numbers that are less than 99. For this, you will require what is meant by prime number. You can see the prime number is nothing but number who has divisors 1 and itself only. Means number having no divisors other than 1 and itself is called as your prime number. Means the prime number is depend upon your divisors. Suppose it has divisors as 1 and itself only, that number is called as prime number. Now we will see how many prime numbers are there in between 1 and 99. I will dictate here. That are nothing but 2 is a only even prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is prime number, and so on. You want to go up to 99 only. Okay, you have some restriction on your set. Now what about 99? 99 is a product of 3, a multiple of 3, therefore it does not become a prime number, it will become composite number. Now what about 98? 98 is an even number, therefore it will not become prime. Now what about 97? 97 has no divisors other than 1 and itself, therefore you will have this number as prime number. Therefore I will go up to 97 only. Okay, now these are elements that are less than 99 but are prime numbers. Now count how many numbers are there. Obviously that are starting from some finite number and going up to some finite number, therefore that counting must be your finite. It implies your number of elements in P are finite. What this indicates, number of elements are finite means what? Your set itself is a finite set. Okay, means your set P in example number 5 was finite set. Okay, this was question number 5. Okay, I hope you have understood these questions. If you are having any query regarding these 4 or 5 questions, you can write me in our comment section, and don't forget to like and comment SPV Learning.